Before we dive in, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss my quick productivity tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to change your Calendly link name effortlessly. This is super handy if you've updated your role, changed your branding, or just want your link to look more professional. Start by heading over to calendly.com and logging into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the upper right corner and click on your profile icon. This opens a drop-down menu with different account options. From here, select Profile. Inside your profile settings, you'll see the option to edit your name and your Calendly URL. This is where you can customize how your link appears when sharing it with others. Simply enter your new link name. For example, you might want to go from calendly.com/John Smith to calendly.com/John Consults to match your updated branding. Once you've made the changes, scroll down to the bottom and click Save Changes. Double check your spelling and formatting before saving to make sure everything looks professional. As soon as you confirm, your updated link will go live and appear across all your Calendly events. And that's it, your Calendly link name is now updated. Keeping it accurate and on brand ensures your clients and colleagues always see the right details when booking with you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials that keep your workday running smoothly.